Okay, we are going to look at while loop. So the idea is you like to repeat one or more actions while condition remain pretty much true. So let's say product equal to 3, and then while product less than or equal to 50. Don't forget colon. What you like to do is for equal product multiply by 3. Then eventually you like to print. Okay. So first time here, product is 3. Okay, the 3 is less than or equal to 50, which is true. So we are going to take action. So basically here we're going to say 3 multiplied by 3, which is going to be 9. 9 is going to be assigned to product. So condition is true. So we are going to exit the while loop when condition is no longer true. So here is 9. We go back. 9 is less than or equal to 50. So previously we had a 9. Okay. So we're going to say 9 multiplied by 3. So it will be 27. Okay, 27 assigned to here. Go back. 27 less than or equal to 50. So 27 multiplied by 3, that's going to be 81. Okay, 81 will be assigned to here. Say 81 less than or equal to 50. That is not true. Okay, so we are not taking any action. So it will be here and print it here. So print out should be 81. Okay, so let's say the first time was 9, the second time was 27, the last one was 81. Okay, let's see. The product is not defined, so I'm guessing that there is a typo. Yeah, here you go. Okay, product. So product is 81. Okay, this is a typical idea of using while loop. Okay, so as long as condition is true, we take the action. Okay, if the condition is no longer true, something like here 81, when product is 81, we're going to exit. Okay, here, and then basically we print the product, so 81. That's all. Thank you.